Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're going to check out a lovely place over on Century City, which is about the west side here in Los Angeles. And I originally heard about it when I went to Italy, particularly in Florence several years ago, and I found out that they have different locations throughout the world and one here in Los Angeles. So I'm finally gonna give it a try and check out what they have to offer in terms of food and everything else. So let's get on going. not doing it right, but it's delicious. Lunch was delicious. Now we're gonna shop for some stuff. Okay, I'm officially stuffed for today. It's pretty nice to see now that I've gotten a chance to walk around and experience it a little bit. It really is a market with a few sit-down restaurants and counter places that has ready-made foods, which have a plethora of selections to choose from. So just in case you want some pizza or sandwiches, cheeses, ready-made salads, it's all there. Or if there's things you want to make at home, they also have ingredients you can get there as well. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check out if there's a Eataly located near you. From what I've seen, there's actually locations around the world. So that's pretty cool, and finally got the chance to actually see it here in LA. Although it does remind me of my trip to Italy, and it does make me want to go there once again. And we'll leave it here. Thank you so much for joining me on our lovely little lunch this afternoon. Come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.